Unlock seamless financial transactions on TikTok by linking your PayPal account in this quick, step-by-step guide. First, open your TikTok app and navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines, often called a hamburger menu, in the top right corner and tap on it. This will open a menu from here. Select Settings and Privacy. Within Settings and Privacy, you'll find a section called Balance. Tap on Balance to proceed. This is your TikTok balance area to link PayPal for receiving payments. You'll typically want to tap on the Withdraw option. You should now see an option to link PayPal account, or a similar prompt. Tap on this to begin the linking process. You will then be directed to the PayPal website or prompted to log into your existing PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Once authorized, your PayPal account will be securely linked to your TikTok profile, ready for you to receive payouts for your content or make purchases within the app seamlessly. And that's it. Streamline your financial interactions on TikTok with the convenience of PayPal.